Hello, hi dear friends, welcome to yet another session of Mission Banker. Yes, in the previous session we discussed some of the very basic concepts discussed in the chapter units and measurements, isn't it? Yes, still some more topics are there to be discussed, and in this session we are going to discuss those remaining topics, and they are nothing but the measurement of three major fundamental quantities, that is measurement of length, measurement of mass and measurement of time. Yes, shall we move on to our session? Yes. Let's start our session. Measurement of length. Yes. Measurement of length. So how do we measure length? Yes, we have so many instruments to measure length, isn't it? We have so many instruments to measure length of varied ranges. Say for example, we have an instrument called a meter scale, which is used to measure lengths within the range 10 power minus 3 meter to 1 meter. That is, using a meter scale you can measure a minimum length of 10 power minus 3 meter and a maximum length of 1 meter. We have another instrument called vernier caliper. Using which we can measure a minimum length of 10 power minus 4 meter. Again, we have another instrument called a screw gauge, using which we can measure a length up to or a minimum length of 10 power minus 5 meter. We have so many measuring tapes, using which we can measure lengths up to 50 meter, 100 meter, 500 meter, etc. Isn't it? Yes. And also, suppose we are traveling long distances and we want to measure the total distance covered by us, we can use odometers. To measure such long distances, isn't it? Yes. But still, even if we have so many instruments to measure lengths, these instruments cannot be used, or these instruments are not sufficient to measure all the lengths in the universe. It means sometimes we may have to measure extremely smaller distances, and sometimes some other times we may have to measure extremely larger distances. So in such situations, or to measure extremely smaller distances or to measure extremely larger distances, yes, we have so many methods. Apart from these instruments, we have so many methods to measure extremely smaller distances and extremely larger distances. Yes, before going into those methods, first let's see the range of length which we are dealing with now. So the range of length which we are dealing with now is 10 power minus 18 meter to 10 power 26 meter. That means now we have to measure a minimum length of 10 power minus 18 meter and a maximum length of 10 power 26 meter. And we have so many units. To measure length within this range. We have so many units to measure lengths within this range. And we have derived relationships connecting those units and the SI unit of length, that is meter. So first let's see those units and their relationship with meter. First let's see the set of units. Which we use to measure lengths less than meter. Yes. First one is 1 attometer. 1 attometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter. So 1 attometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter. What does it mean? 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter. 0 point, after point we need to have 18 digits. After point, yes, we need to have 18 digits. So in this case, yes, 17 zeros followed by 1, total 18 digits, that is 17 zeros followed by 1. Suppose it is given 26 into 10 power minus 6. 26 into 10 power minus 6, what does it mean? Yes, after point, yes, we need to have 6 digits. After point, we need to have 6 digits. Already here we have 2 digits, so 4 zeros followed by these 2 digits. 4 zeros followed by 26. Is it clear? Yes. So what does it mean 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter? It means after point, yes, we need to have 18 digits. So already we have a digit. So it will be like after point 17 zeros, after point 17 zeros followed by this 1. Yes. So that is 1 attometer. Again, next unit is 1 femtometer. 1 femtometer, that is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 15 meters. So what does it mean? It means after point that we need to have 15 digits. So here in this case 14 zeros followed by 1. Again, 1 picometer. What is 1 picometer? Is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 12 meter. 1 nanometer. What is 1 nanometer? 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Yes, we use the symbol. We use the symbol mu. We use the symbol mu for representing or for denoting micro. So if suppose it is given mu meter, what does it mean? It means micrometer. Yes. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So we know using a meter scale, yes, we could measure a minimum length of 10 power minus 3 meter. It means we could measure a minimum length of 1 millimeter. Yes. Next one is 1 centimeter. What is 1 centimeter? Is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Again, the last one is 1 decimeter. What is 1 decimeter? Is equal to 1 decimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Yes. So these are some units. These are some units which we use to measure lengths less than meter. Is it clear? Yes. Now suppose I am measuring the distance between two atoms, any two atoms. I am measuring the distance between two atoms and I got the value 2968, let it be nanometer. 2968 nanometer, and you are asked to find the value or the length in meters. You are asked to find the value or length in meters. Yes, how do we find it? Here we have to apply the concept of unit conversion. Yes. So what are the steps of unit conversion? The very first step is to derive a relationship connecting the two units, isn't it? Yes. Here the two units are nanometer and meter, and we already know the relationship between these two units. So 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Here the value is given in nanometer, and you are asked to find the value in meters. So yes. So to make 1 nanometer, 2968 nanometer, yes, we have to just multiply 1 nanometer by this number, isn't it? So 2968 into 1 nanometer, 2968 into 1 nanometer, that is equal to 2968 nanometer. Yes, is it clear? Yes. So there is a rule in maths. That is, if I add or multiply or subtract or divide a number on the left side, add or subtract or multiply or divide by a number on the left side, I have to do the same operation. On the right side of the equal sign also. So on the right side also I have to multiply the number 1 into 10 power minus 9 by 2968. So 2968 into 10 power minus 9 meters. So the given length between those two atoms in meters is equal to 2968 into 10 power minus 9, and we can write, it can be written as 2.968 into 10 power minus 6 meter. It can be written as 2.968 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Yes. Is it clear? Step up to the second last step. Is it clear? Yes. And this step, for doing this step, yes, we have to learn, for doing this step, we have to learn two more concepts, that is significant figures and a rounding off of uncertain digits. Yes. So once we learn those two concepts, yes, anyone can easily derive this step. Anyone can easily convert the value in the second last step, to the value in the last step. Yes. For the time being, it is just enough up to the second last step. Is it clear? Yes. So now let's see one more example. Suppose the length is given in micrometer, 9786 micrometer. What is mu meter? Mu meter is nothing but micrometer, and you are asked to find the length in meter. Yes. How do we do it? Yes, we know 1 mu meter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter, isn't it? Yes. So to make this value 1 mu meter, to get this value 9786 mu meter, we have to just multiply 1 mu meter by this number. So it becomes 9786 mu meter, isn't it? Yes. Again, so since I multiplied this number on the left side, I have to multiply the same number on the right side also. So I am multiplying by 9786 into 10 power minus 6 meter. 9786 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Yes. So it can be written as 9.786 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. So in these two examples, the value were given in these two examples, the value was given in these smaller units. The value was given in these smaller units, and you are asked to find the value in meter. Now suppose the value is given in meter, 9786 meter, and you are asked to find the value in some of these units, like say for example you are asked to find it in picometer. You are asked to find the value in picometer. Yes. Again, we know the relationship connecting picometer and meter. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter. 1 picometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 12 meter, isn't it? Yes. Here the value is given in meter, and we have to find the value in picometer. So what we have to do is we have to find what is 1 meter is equal to in picometer. What is 1 meter is equal to in picometer? So 1 meter is equal to 1 picometer divided by 1 into 10 power minus 12, isn't it? Yes. So I brought this 10 power minus 12. I brought this 10 power minus 12 to the left side of the equation. There is a rule in maths, that is, suppose we are adding a number on any one side of the equation. Yes. And if we are bringing this particular number to the other side, yes, we have to change the sign. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Is it clear? Again for multiplication and division. Suppose I am multiplying this number. To any other number is equal to z. If I am bringing this particular number to the other side of the equation, then I have to divide the number on the other side by this particular number. Is it clear? And also suppose I am dividing a number by this particular number, and I am bringing this particular number to the other side, then I have to multiply the number on the other side by this number z. It becomes z into y. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. So here I applied the same rule. So I divided 1 picometer by this particular number, 1 into 10 power minus 12 meter, and I get 10 power 12 picometer. Yes. So how did I get this? How did I get this? There is a rule in maths, that is 1 divided by x power minus n is equal to x power n, or else x power minus n is equal to 1 divided by x power n. And again x power n is equal to 1 divided by x power minus n. And also there is one more rule, x power minus n, x power minus n, not x power minus n, sorry, 1 by x power n is equal to x power minus n. These are some important rules in exponents. Yes. Again, is it clear? Yes. So I got the answer. I got the answer, that is 1 meter is equal to 10 power 12 picometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 into 10 power 12 picometer. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. What does it mean? Yes. 1 followed by 12 zeros. What does it mean? 1 into 10 power 12, 1 into 10 power 12 means 1 followed by 12 zeros. Is it clear? Yes. Now, yes, I have to make 1 meter, 9786 meter. What I have to do? I have to simply multiply this 1 meter by this number. So 9786 into 1 meter, it becomes 9786 meter. So again, since I multiplied this number on the right side, I have to multiply this number on the, I have multiplied this number on the left side, I have to multiply by the same number on the right side. So it becomes 9786 into 10 power 12 meter. It can be written as, it can be otherwise written as 9.786 into 10 power 15 meter. 9.786 into 10 power 15 meter. Yes. Is it clear? Is it clear up to the second last step? Is it clear? Yes. So let's see one more example. Let's see one more example of the same type. The value is given as 54329 meter and you are asked to find the value in decimeter. You are asked to find the value in decimeter. Yes. So we know 1 decimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. So what is 1 meter is equal to? We know 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 10 power minus 1 decimeter. That is equal to 1 into 10 power 1 decimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 10 power 1 decimeter. Is it clear? So I have to get the value. I have to get the value 54329 from 1 meter. What I have to simply multiply 1 meter by this number. 54329 meter is equal to 54329 into 10 decimeter. That is 54329 decimeter. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yes. So in these four examples we discussed, yes, the values were either given in any of these unit, and you are asked to find the value in meter, or just reverse, the values were given in meter and you were asked to find the values in these units, isn't it? Suppose you are given the value in 97843 femtometer. You are given the value in 97843 femtometer and you are asked to find the value in millimeter. You are asked to find the value in millimeter. So in the previous four cases, we were knowing the relationship between those two units, isn't it? But now in this case, we don't know the relationship between femtometer and millimeter. So what we have to do? First we have to derive a relationship connecting these two units, isn't it? Then only we can convert values from femtometer to millimeter. So how do we derive? How can we derive? Yes. So we know even though we don't know a direct relationship, connecting these two units, we know a relation, we know the relations connecting these two units with meter respectively, isn't it? That is 1 femtometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 15 meter, isn't it? Again, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter, isn't it? Yes. So, the unit meter is common in both the equations. So here what I have to do is I have to find what is 1 meter is equal to in femtometers and 1 meter is equal to in millimeters. That is 1 meter is equal to 1 femtometer divided by 10 power minus 15. So it becomes 10 power 15 femtometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 into 10 power 15 femtometer. Yes. Is this step clear? Yes. Now, what is 1 meter in millimeter? 1 millimeter divided by 10 power minus 3 meter. So this also becomes 1 into 10 power 3 millimeter. So the first one be equation 1 and the second one be equation 2. Is it clear? Is it clear up to this step? Yes. Now we are going to compare, or now we are going to equate these two equations. We are going to compare these two equations, and I noticed that the left side of both the equations are same. That is, there is a rule. Again, there is a rule in maths. If any one side of both the equations are same, then the other side of the equal sign will also be same. That is, suppose it is given x is equal to y and x is equal to z. X is equal to y and x is equal to z. So one value on one side of the value on one side of the equation is equal sign is same. So we can say y equal to z or z is equal to y. Yes. Suppose it is given like this, x is equal to y, z is equal to x. Like this, x is equal to y, z is equal to x. In this case also, one side of the equal sign is same, isn't it? In this case also, one side of the equal sign is same, because we can write either this equation as y equal to x, or we can write this equation as x is equal to z, isn't it? So one side of the equation is one and the same. So the other side will also be same. So we can say y equal to z or z is equal to y. Is it clear? Yes. So we are going to apply this rule. Here. So since one side of the equation, both the equations are same, the other side will also be same. So 1 into 10 power 15 femtometer is equal to 1 into 10 cube meter. Yes, we can remove this one. There is no need of this one, writing 1. So 10 power 15 femtometer is equal to 10 cube millimeter. 10 power 15 femtometer is equal to 10 cube millimeter. Now back to the question. We are given the value in femtometer here. Yes, listen, we are given the value in femtometer and we have to calculate the value in millimeter. Since the value is given in femtometer and you are asked to find the value in millimeter, we have to find what is 1 femtometer is equal to in millimeters. So 10 cube divided by 10 power 15. Again, there is a rule in maths, that is x power n divided by x power m is equal to x power n minus m. X power n divided by x power m is equal to x power n minus m. Again, x power n into x power m is equal to x power n plus m. X power n plus m. Yes. So we can apply this rule here. Because the base number of both the numbers are one and the same. So we can apply this rule, that is 10 power 3 minus 15. So it becomes 10 power minus 12. So what is 1 femtometer is equal to? 1 femtometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 millimeter. 1 femtometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 millimeter. Is it clear up to this step? Is it clear? Yes. Now we have to get the value. Now to get the value 97843 femtometer. To get the value 97843 femtometer from this 1 femtometer, we have to simply multiply 1 femtometer by this number 97843 femtometer, isn't it, into 1 meter. So it becomes 97843 femtometer. So I have to multiply by the same number on the other side also. So it becomes 97843 into 10 power minus 12 millimeter. 10 power minus 12 millimeter. Is it clear? Yes. So it can be otherwise written as 9.843 into 10 power minus 8 millimeter. 10 power minus 8 millimeter. Yes. For the time being, you just leave this step. Is it clear up to the second last step? Is it clear up to the second last step? Yes. So let's see one more example of the same type. Then you will get a clear cut idea. Suppose the value is given in nanometer. Yes, the value is given in nanometer. Say for example 8234 nanometer, and you are asked to find the value in attometer. So the very first step is to derive a relationship connecting these two units. So I don't know any direct relation, so I am going to find a relationship. Yes, but I know the the relation connecting these two units and a common unit, meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 1 attometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter. So now I have to find what is 1 meter is equal to in terms of nanometer and attometer, and I got the answer 1 meter is equal to 10 power 9 nanometer. Yes, and 1 meter is equal to 10 power 18 attometer. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. So again I am going to compare these two equations, and I got 10 power 9 nanometer is equal to 10 power 18 attometer. 10 power 9 nanometer is equal to 10 power 18 attometer. Here the value is given in nanometer and you are asked to find the value in attometer. So what do you have to find? We have to find what is 1 nanometer is equal to in attometer. Suppose the value is given in attometer and you are asked to find it in nanometer, then you have to find what is 1 attometer is equal to in nanometers. Is it clear? So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power 18 divided by 10 power 9 attometer, that is it becomes 10 power 9 attometer. Yes. So to make this value, to make the value 1 nanometer, 8234 nanometer, I have to multiply 1 nanometer simply by the number 8234. So it becomes 8234 nanometer. I am multiplying by this number on the other side also, so it becomes 8234 into 10 power 9 attometer, or we can otherwise say 8.324 into 10 power 12 attometer. So this is the final answer. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. So is it clear how to convert values in one unit to values in another unit? Yes. So so this is the theory of conversion of units, but this procedure is very lengthy, isn't it? Yes, we have so many steps. If we do unit conversion, if we convert units values from one unit to another in this way. So yes, now let's see an easy way to convert values from one unit to another unit. An easy way to convert values from one unit to another unit. Yes. So the first case, the value is given in any of these units, that is attometer or femtometer up to decimeter, any of these units, and we have to find the value in meters. Say for example, the value is given in 2968, let it be nanometer. 2968 nanometer, and you are asked to find the value in meters. Yes, so the value is given in any of these units on the left side, and you are asked to find the value in meter. So yes, the very first step is to find the relationship connecting these two units, that is 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Yes, okay. Now the value is given in nanometer and you are asked to find it in meter. So what you have to do is simply multiply the relation, or simply multiply the given number 2968. Simply multiply the given number 2968 by the number or by the value, that is 1 nanometer or any unit is equal to, here in the case 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. So what is nanometer is equal to 2968 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So you will get this answer in a single step. Yes, just by seeing this value, instead of following all those steps, or instead of following those lengthy procedure, you can just find the value, in meters just by seeing this value. That is, you have to simply multiply the given value, simply multiply the numerical value by the value or by the number, that is 1 nanometer, or here any unit, any of these units is equal to. So here in this case 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. So I am multiplying by 10 power minus 9 meter. Suppose you are given 8568 micrometer. And you are asked to find the value in meter. Yes, so what you have to do? Yes, first you should know the relationship connecting. You should know the relationship connecting those two units. It is must. Okay. So 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. We know 1 mu meter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. So I have to multiply the given numerical value 8568 by the value, that is 1 mu meter is equal to. So I have to just multiply the given value by 10 power minus 6 meter. So I got the answer 8568 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Yes, is it clear? Yes, this is the simplest way to convert values in any of the other unit to meter. You have to just multiply the given numerical value by the value, that is any unit. Here it can be nanometer, or it can be picometer, or it can be decimeter. Yes, any unit is equal to. Is it clear? Yes. Now let's see one simple method to convert values given in meter to any other unit. Yes. Suppose the value is given as 8596 meter and you are asked to find it in femtometer. So how do we do this? I know the relationship, we should know the relationship connecting these two units. It is must. So 1 femtometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 15 meter. 1 into 10 power minus 15 meter. Earlier, in the previous case, you were given value in any of these units and you are asked to find it in meters. Herein, so we multiplied the given number, given numerical value by what is 1 femtometer or 1 any unit is equal to. But here in this case the value is given in meter and you are asked to find the value in femtometer. So what you have to do is, yes, you have to simply divide the given numerical value by what is 1 femtometer or 1 any unit is equal to. So 10 power minus 15, and here you should write the unit femtometer. Here you should write the unit femtometer or the unit which is asked in the question. The unit which is asked in the question. Is it clear? Yes. So let's see one more example. The value is given and it becomes 8596. So when it comes to the numerator, it becomes plus. So 8596 into 10 power 15, the unit is femtometer. The unit is femtometer, yes. So here you have to write the unit which is asked in the question, isn't it? Is it clear? Yes. Let's see one more example. You are given 9786 meter, and you are asked to find it in centimeter. So here you are asked to find the value in centimeter. So I know the relationship between centimeter and meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So what I have to do, I have to simply divide the given numerical value by the value that is 1 centimeter equal to, and I have to put the unit as centimeter. The unit asked in the question. Yes, the unit you are asked to find out. Is it clear? Yes. So now suppose you are given a value in attometer, and instead of meter, here you are asked to find the value in any of the other units. Suppose the value is given as 2968 attometer, and you are asked to find the value in, say for example, millimeter. You are asked to find the value in millimeter. Okay, yes. Here you don't know the relationship connecting these two units. Isn't there a direct relationship connecting these two units? In the previous two cases, yes, we were knowing the relationships connecting those units and meter. But here in this case we don't know. But we know the relationship connecting these two units and a common unit meter, isn't it? Yes. So 1 attometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 meter. Again 1 millimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Yes. So this is my very first step. I should know the relationship connecting these units and any of the common unit. Okay. Yes. So here in this case the common unit is meter. Meter. Is it clear? Yes. Now I have to check. Now the next step is to find the difference between these two powers. Yes. Here I know minus 3 is greater than minus 18, isn't it? Yes, I know minus 3 is greater than minus 18. In the case of negative numbers, minus 3 greater than minus 18. Minus 4 greater than minus 5, isn't it? Yes. So here minus 3 is greater than minus 18. So minus 3 minus of minus 18. Minus 3 minus of minus 18, and it becomes 15. So the difference between these two power values, is 15. Is it clear up to this? Yes. So now we have to check. Whether the value is given in a smaller unit. Let smaller unit be yes. Okay. Whether the value is given in smaller unit, and you are asked to find the value in larger unit. Yes, this is case 1. And case 2 is the value is given in larger unit and you are asked to find the value in smaller unit. So this is case 2. Okay, yes, that is what is case 1. The value is given in smaller unit and we are asked to find the value in larger unit. That is case 1, and case 2 is the value is given in larger unit and you are asked to find the value in smaller unit. So first let's see case 1. Okay, okay, first let's see whether attometer is a greater unit or millimeter is the larger unit. Yes, we know 1 attometer is equal to what does it mean? 1 into 10 power minus 18. So 0.17 zeros followed by 1. 0.17 zeros followed by 1. What is 1 meter is equal to 0.30, not 3 zeros, 2 zeros followed by 1, isn't it? 0.2 zeros followed 1. Yes. So what does it mean? It means attometer, 1 attometer is less than 1 millimeter, isn't it? Yes. It is evident, or it is clear from these two values. It is very clear from these two values. 1 attometer, the value of 1 attometer is obviously less than 1 millimeter. The value of 1 attometer is obviously less than 1 millimeter, isn't it? Yes. So what we can say? Attometer is a smaller unit and millimeter is larger unit. Attometer is a smaller unit and millimeter is larger unit. So here actually we have to follow case 1, isn't it? We have to follow case 1. So what is case 1? The value is given in smaller unit. Value is given in smaller unit. Let me write in red. Case 1. Case 1 is equal to, the value is given in smaller and you are asked to find larger. Yes. So here the question is asked. Here case 1 question is asked. Yes. So what I have to do when the value is given in smaller and I am asked to find in larger, I have to simply divide. I have to simply divide the given number, by the number 10 power, the difference between these two powers. By the number 10 power, the difference between these two power values. So it becomes 2968 into 10 power minus 15 millimeter. 2968 into 10 power minus 15 millimeter. Yes, let's see whether we are getting the same answer if we follow all the steps. Yes. So I know 1 meter is equal to 10 power 18 attometer. Again I know 1 meter is equal to 10 cube millimeter. I have to compare these two equations. So I will get 10 power 18 attometer is equal to 10 power 3 millimeter. So here I have to find 1 attometer is equal to 10 power 3 divided by 10 power 18 millimeter. So it becomes 10 power minus 15. 10 power minus 15 millimeter. So to obtain the value 2968 am from 1 am, I have to multiply 1 am by this number. So here also I have to simply multiply 10 power minus 15 by this number, and this is the answer which I got. This is the answer which I got by following these simple steps. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? Case 1? Yes. Let's see one more example in case 1. Let's see one more example in case 1 and let's discuss case 2. So what is case 1? Case 1 is the value will be given in smaller unit. The value will be given in smaller unit and you are asked to find the value in larger unit. Yes. So suppose the value is given in picometer. 94696 picometer. The value is given in picometer and you are asked to find the value in decimeter. You are asked to find the value in decimeter. Okay, yes. So here picometer, the value of 1 picometer is less than 1 decimeter, isn't it? What is 1 picometer is equal to 0.0 11 zeros followed by 1. Here 0.1. So which value is greater? Yes, 1 decimeter is greater than 1 picometer. So the value is given in smaller unit and you are asked to find it in larger unit. First, 1 picometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 12 meter. Again, 1 decimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. So I know minus 1 is greater than minus 12. So minus 1, I am finding the difference between these two power. Minus 1 minus of minus 12, that it becomes 11. So the power is 11. So the difference between these two powers is 11. So now what I have to do? Yes, here I noticed that the value is given in smaller and I am asked to find in larger. So I have to simply divide. I have to simply divide the given number. Simply divide the given number by 10 power 11. 10 power, the difference between these two powers. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? So it becomes 9469 into 10 power minus 11 decimeter. Is it clear? Is it clear? Case 1? Yes. Suppose case 2 is asked, that is the value is given in larger unit and you are asked to find it in smaller unit. Yes. So let's see. So you are given 9486 centimeter and you are asked to find the value in mu meter. What is mu meter? Mu meter is micrometer. So here in this case, I don't know any direct relationship connecting these two units, isn't it? Yes. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. And again 1 mu meter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Yes. Here minus 2 is greater than minus 6. So minus 2 minus of minus 6 is equal to 4. So the difference between these two powers, is 4. Yes. Now I know say 1 centimeter is greater than 1 mu meter. Isn't it? 1 centimeter is greater than 1 mu meter. So the question, the value is given in larger unit and I am asked to find the value in smaller unit. So what I have to do is 9486 into multiply the given numerical value by 10 into 10 power 4. 10 power, the difference between these two powers and the unit. Unit asked in the question, mu meter. Is it clear? Let's see. Let's check whether we are getting the same answer when we follow the actual procedure. I know 1 meter is equal to 10 square centimeter. Again 1 meter is equal to 10 power 6 mu meter. I am equating these two equations. Then I will get 10 square centimeter is equal to 10 power 6 mu meter. Here I have to find mu meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power 4 mu meter. I have to simply multiply 1 centimeter by the number 9486 to get the answer 9486 centimeter. So I have to multiply the same value. I have to multiply the same value on the other side also. So here it becomes 9486 into 10 power 4 mu meter. This is the answer which I got when I found the answer in simplest way. Is it clear? Yes. Let's see one more example and we'll move on to the next step, next set of units. So yes, the value is given in millimeter, 9496 millimeter, and I am asked to find it in nanometer. Yes, millimeter is millimeter is greater than nanometer. So the value is given in larger unit and I am asked to find it in smaller unit. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Again 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 9 meter. The difference between these two powers here, minus 3 is greater than minus 9. So it becomes 6. So the difference between these two powers is 6. Now I have to simply multiply. I have to simply multiply the given numerical value by 10 into 10 to the power of the difference between these two powers. So 10 to the power 6. So this is the value in nanometer. This is the value in nanometer. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yes. Is it clear? Conversion of units? Yes. Unit conversion is a very important concept. Maybe in examination they may not ask directly convert values in this unit to values in some other unit, but in problems, in most of the problems we may have to apply the concept of unit conversion. So we must be thorough in this concept. Is it clear? Yes.